Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. This is color box. So let's go kids. Colors name yellow color, light blue color, white color, red color, light green color, brown color, blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, yellow color. So let's go kids. Please subscribe this channel and watch the full videos. This is black color marker. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for apple. A is for apple. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for ball. B is for ball. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for cat. C is for cat. Now I am drawing letter D. D is for dog. D is for dog. Now I am drawing letter E. E is for elephant. Now I am drawing letter F. F is for fish. Now I am drawing letter Z. Z is for God. Now I am drawing letter H. H is for house. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watch the full videos.